I think it's just, I mean, everybody is easy to work with. I think just availability, just being able to get a hold of you guys and yeah, get the questions answered that we need.
It is a group of people that are here to help us be successful. You can tell they're invested in us being successful. They always pick up the phone, they answer the email.
Just a good partner to work with, I think. I like the people.
People are very knowledgeable, professional. I think that goes a long way.
The best thing about all of the NRTC people that I've worked with is they're personal. They tell you like it is, which I need. We have a great relationship with everybody at NRTC.
Top-notch performance, specifically in communication. So open-minded to new ideas, so open to whatever they can do to make our products more reliable out in the field. Always a phone call away or a text away, and you get an answer so fast.
You want to have a level of comfort, you want to have a high level of expertise to count on, and great leadership.
Well, I think their experience and knowledge in the broadband space in particular, being able to work with a trusted provider, it's been a great partnership.
The staff at NRTC has always been great to work with. If you got questions or issues, y'all are just respond back really quick and get our needs satisfied.
One of the nice things about working with NRTC is I have access to the full leadership team. So if something does go wrong, right, I can send Tim a text, you know, whether it's on the weekend or evening or a holiday, and I know things are going to be taken care of.
Well, they take me out to dinner every now and then. No, I'm just kidding.